Anyway, look here. I see that. Everything working good. Now I want y'all to look at this oak. You see where that flute stops right there? It's about where they stop. Now I'm not saying they don't saw this, because they do, but I mean that's where it started. That's about 3 feet, y'all. Now I'm gonna go all the way around this oak tree. It's a pin oak. It's not a white oak, it's a pin oak. A pin oak tree. Lord, put that there just for me. Yes, he did. Now, let's see if we can't get around this rascal right here. Just above the flutes on the roots. We're gonna try to walk back around here. I'm telling y'all something right now, it's a big old oak tree. As far as pin oaks go, this is a great big old big one right here. That's close. What we got? We got 11 feet, 5.5 inches, y'all. I'm calling it 11 feet, 5.5. That's what I'm calling it. 11 feet, 5.5. That's a pretty good size oak tree. It's almost 12 foot through there. And they'll take logs at 12 feet. 12 foot will put it, probably put it somewhere in here. Around it. Divide that by 3.17. See what you come up with. That son which is almost 4 foot through here. One spot right here it is. I guarantee you it's 4 foot. Look here. From this corner right here to this corner right there. Right at it. 4 foot. Beautiful thing. No, it's not engineering tape. That's inches and feet. That is not an engineering tape, no sir. You talking about almost 12 foot in diameter oak tree, bro. Circumference. Divide that to 3.14. See what you come up with. Maybe about 45 inches. It's almost 4 foot. It's close enough. Close enough to make you look twice. We're gonna see if we can find an edge, y'all, to be continued. Otaka from the woods.